Weather update as of November 22, 2023 8 a.m. Subject, Northeast Monsoon, Easterlies, and Shear Line. Ang malakas na Northeast Monsoon, o amihan, ay umiiral sa Northern Luzon down to Palawan. At ang Easterlies, o ang hangin galing Pacific Ocean, ay nagbabalik, at ito ay nakakaapekto sa parte ng Visayas, at Mindanao. At dahil sa pagsasalubong ng Northeast Monsoon, o amihan, at ng Easterlies, nabubuo ang shear line. At ang malakas na concentration ng shear line ay nakakaapekto ito sa Southern Luzon, at ng northern part ng Visayas. Ito ay may dalang moderate to heavy rains na may kasamang thunderstorms, at bugso ng hangin.
Disclaimer bilang independent weather forecasting page, gamitin lamang ito bilang reference page. Donate any amount at GCash number 0945-322-4311 to improve our forecasting in the near future. Stay safe. Like, share, follow.